guys. Today we're gonna play some arcade games. First I gotta throw the ball. Swipe. Mama, can you hold on? Okay.
Video you.
Where's the ball?
Video you.
Oh, single player.
Video you. Oh, go.
Okay, the ball. I gotta throw the ball. What? Seriously? Give me the camera. What's the card?
Ano na, iba naman. Kanta ka na lang. Ay, ano?
Air hockey naman. No. What? Oh, that one? Sure.
Daddy.
How do I play this game? Like all cars to win Super Bowls.
Ano gagawin? Teka muna. Ano gagawin dito?
Like all the cars to win Super
Like all
Bowls.
cars to win Super Bowl.
It's ball drop game. Can you film me, Mama?
Teka lang yan. Hindi mo naman alam yan eh. Panglaro na lang.
Okay, guys. Now is one
Ay! Sorry.
ball drop. Hello.
Ano na? Ano na yun? Akin na.
Hello.
Ano bang gagawin?
Doon ka bumula yung napapalos mo.
Ay! Ang bagal naman.
Wala na?
This game's big. Whatever.
Pili ka ng maganda. Meron pa dito.
Bounce. Balls. Another throwing game. Another throwing game.
Yan, ipa-bounce lang. Saan ipa-bounce? Doon sa tabla?
Onto the light things.
Dati. Yan na. 380.
Record.
Ano ba yan?
Bounce the ball.
Bounce mo sa... Please. Mas maraming bounce, mas maraming ano. O bounce mo sa maraming ano. Para maging blue. Yung mga red. Bato mo yung red.
Hey, go on, ball.
Ay, Jesus!
Isa! Dali, isa pa!
Wala na, wala sa phone.
Isa!
Oh!
Oo, finish na.
So far, I haven't won any tickets. What? Hit the wheel?
Ano yan?
Hold on.
Ano gagawin?
Ewan ko rin sa baka mo.
Ito! Ano?
Wala. We're getting a gumball. We're getting a gumball. Mommy, your hand is blocking the screen. Okay, go towards me. Hey, set my boy.
Ano nangyari?
Backwards kind of up. Ayun, this machine works. Whatever.
I'll help you.
Okay. You!
You!
Daddy, itong gumball machine ay